talk to me a little bit, sweetie? Talk to me. Talk to me. Yeah, you're waiting for me to get out of the shower. Look at that big. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's see you. Oh. Hello, Nora. Here, give it a sock. Sock it. You can hit it. I've got it hard, I think. Unless it falls in the toilet that's open. Let me close it. Yeah. Hey, Nora. Talk to me. Talk to me, sweetie. Talk, yeah. Okay. That's it. Woo. Beautiful girl. You beautiful girl. Yes. Someone got spayed. Aw, look at that beautiful face. She loves to hang her legs and her big paw down any kind of, shall we? Whoop, they're going to work in the apartment. Let me see. You want to come? Okay, you going to stay up there? Whoop, people are here. Doing the risers. Oh, those risers. I don't even know what they are. That's all people talk about around here, risers. Risers this and risers that. Aw, Leon. Ah, Princess Nora. Princess Nora. We're going to get our bathrooms done. Bathroom done, just one of them. And the kitchen, we're going to have some pretty granite. Yes, we are. It's going to be beautiful. Right, Nora? Hey, Nora. Look over here, Nora. Hello there. Yeah.